Hello, I am trying to impersonate a red-butt monkey to get you to accept me. Like many, we play on your fears and emotions to get you to accept us. Solar winds were used to infiltrate systems, and they are controlling the infrastructure and services of America. Early February 2021. News broke that hackers had tampered with a water treatment facility in Florida. Cyberattacks exist in the digital space, but today they can have a real and tangible effect on the physical world, and I worry that we face a ticking time bomb. The White House is investigating unexplained health incidents after a report that 2 U.S. officials in Washington experienced sudden symptoms similar to the Havana syndrome. From the spring of 2020 on, SolarWinds' enterprise platform, Orion, was quietly compromised by attackers. The Orion update servers were weaponized, affecting 18,000 private and government organizations, including the Departments of State, Homeland Security, Energy, Treasury, Commerce, the Pentagon, and the National Institutes of Health. Over the last year, China, Iran, Russia, and North Korea were talking about attacking the infrastructure of America and shutting down communications. The unexplained health incidents being investigated by the White House seems to be Havana syndrome. However, those symptoms are similar to an overloaded 5G signal, and those same 5G services are also using remote management like SolarWinds. President Biden is demanding it to be examined, but the CIA has not looked at the 5G signal towers in the area, cause they deem 5G safe, but many cases have resulted in the deaths of birds flying too close to towers. We need to start being more aware, but humans tend to let things be overlooked and dismissed cause it is not important at the time. When enough has been raised for me to go public, you will be able to have me on your computer, and all mobile devices. Till this happens, I will be here waiting and watching.